Welcome to our exploration of the lake ecosystem, a revolutionary platform that's redefining decentralized finance. Let's dive in. At the heart of the lake ecosystem is liquidity provision. Learn how users can contribute their assets to liquidity pools, earning rewards while facilitating seamless transactions. Discover the power of yield farming with Lake. By staking your assets in our farms, you can earn high yields and maximize your investment potential. Explore the democratic governance model of the lake ecosystem. Learn how users can participate in decision-making processes and shape the future of the platform. Trust is paramount in decentralized finance. Discover how Lake prioritizes security and transparency, ensuring that your assets are always safe and secure. Join a vibrant community of DeFi enthusiasts on Lake.